Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sonal Agrawal, with a new video for you guys. Navratri is here guys, and I've already posted one look for Navratri before this, and this is my second look. This is my basically Garba look. As you can see, I am all dressed up for Garba. This year it's gonna be different. इस बार कुछ different होगा with mask, with social distancing, but still we are gonna enjoy our festivals. So this is my take on how you can make your makeup for Garba sweat proof and mask proof. Makeup under mask can clog your pores a lot and give you breakouts. You can skip base makeup altogether, that's cool, but still we are makeup junkies who want to wear makeup anyhow. So I have tried my level best to keep the makeup minimal and mask proof and sweat proof. I have highlighted my eyes though a lot, because if you're wearing a mask, you need your eyes to be highlighted so your makeup stand out. So if you want to know how I created this, please watch the whole video, and if you do like, please hit like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.
So the first thing goes is primer. Primer is very important for me because it minimizes my pores and textures and also makes your makeup last long. Now I'm going in with this Color Bar priming spray. It has glycerine in it. It will help my makeup stick to my face better and will make it last long. It is hydrating as well, so the moisture I need on my face it will provide me. Next I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's a full coverage foundation, so I will be requiring a very less amount on my face, and it is also matte, so it will last for a long time. So I'm applying it on the upper part of my face the most, and whatever is left on my sponge I'm taking it around my mouth and chin area. I will also apply this foundation on my neck so that everything looks in one color, and guys, do not forget your ears as well. Next I will be taking this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. It's almost my skin color, so it will hide all my darkness under my eyes, around my forehead and everywhere. I won't be applying any concealer around my mouth because I want to keep the layer minimal over there because I sweat the most over there. And next I'm taking this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. It's a little lighter in color, and I'm highlighting my under eyes and forehead and bridge of my nose with it. Now I will be setting everything in place with this Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline. I will be applying a good amount under my eyes to set everything in place, and I will be going in with a brush with this powder and applying all over my face a very light layer so that it does not move or budge. It will also make my base a little less transferable on my mask. So this is very important. Now next I will be doing my eyes, and I'm taking this Nicka K Mocha Mix palette and taking this middle shade. It's a very light brown shade, and with this fluffy blending brush I am applying it on my crease with a very light hand. I'm building up the color up to the desired intensity. And next, taking this a little reddish brown kind of a shade with the same brush, I will be applying it all over my lid, a little below the transition area as well. I will keep dipping my brush in the color till I get the desired color I want on my eyes. I am also applying this color on the lower lash line and joining it with the upper part of my eyes. For more color payoff, I have taken this denser brush and taken the same color, and again I am going all over my lid because I wanted a little more color over my lid. And denser brush gives a little more color payoff than the fluffier one. I'm blending all the work I have done with the same transition shade I had taken. Now taking this darkest brown in the palette, and with that same dense brush I am applying on the outer parts of my lid to define my eyes a little more, and I'm also going in the crease of my eyes. Now it's time for wing liner. I'm taking this Maybelline gel liner and this angular liner brush, and I'm trying to make a wing on my eyes, wing liner on my eyes. I'm really struggling to make this wing liner because I find it very difficult to draw a wing liner on camera, but still I'm trying. Now I will be lining my upper waterline and lower waterline with the kohl pencil. And now for the fun part, I'm taking this copper foiled eyeshadow from the palette on the same liner brush, and I'm spraying it with my setting spray to get the maximum color payoff, and I'm applying a line next to the black liner I have drawn. It will amp up my eye look a lot. It looked very beautiful. I'm trying to make it as close as to the black gel liner I have drawn. And now taking this dark brown shade on the denser blending brush, actually it's a pencil brush, applying it on my lower lash line. Now taking this mascara by L'Oreal, the Slash Paradise one, I'm coating my upper lashes and lower lashes really well. This is a waterproof mascara, so it won't smudge or anything. Now time to finish off the face makeup. I'm taking this Sugar Face palette and taking all three products. It's a beautiful palette. I'm taking contour first and I'm contouring my cheeks a little so that when I take off my mask and get a picture clicked, I look nice. It looks all seamless and decent. It shouldn't look very weird that my eyes are so highlighted and my face does not have anything. And I'm applying a little bit of blush for that matter. I always use the same angled brush for my contour and my blush, and here I'm applying a little bit of contour on my forehead, and I will also be contouring my jawline a little. Next I will be applying a highlighter from the same palette, and I will be highlighting all the high points of my face, my cheekbones, my bridge of my nose, above the arch of my brows. And I will be taking the same highlight color and I will highlight my inner corners, and I will also be applying this highlight on my brow bone area to give that lifted effect to my brows. Next I'm taking this Smashbox liquid lipstick in the color Gulabi, and I am applying it all over my lips. I'm taking that same black gel liner and I'm applying a bindi on my forehead. Now I'm taking this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer and spraying it all over my face. This will set my makeup in place and will make it last long. Again I'm taking my sponge and going all over my face with it, so it will blend everything and make it look more seamless. And now it's time for a hack. I will be taking a tissue paper and wrapping around my sponge and dab it all over my face. It will take off all the excess makeup sitting on my face. Now I'm taking that same Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder with my brush and going over my lipstick to make it more transfer proof. Now I'm putting Mangtika and I'm using my eyelash glue to fix my Mangtika to my forehead. And guys, this is my finished look. I hope you all like it. If you do, please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.